How to fix bugs in lag here at Knowunity. So here I'll be teaching you how to fix some bugs and a few lags here at Knowunity. The first thing you need to do is of course check your internet connection if it's stable, and if it's not, go to your data. But I suggest using the internet if the internet is, because the internet is much more powerful than the data here in the Philippines, of course. But yeah, there you go. That's the first thing to check on, and then the second thing to check on is on your settings. So you need to go to your settings, then app manage, then apps, then app management, then you need to find the Knowunity. So now we're gonna go to there. I'll see you guys there. Hey guys, now we are here at our Knowunity. There you go. Here I see right here. So we have our, all we need to do is press on data usage right here. As you can see, we can see oral data usage, back or not, disable also disable mobile data, we can do that. Then as you can see, now to fix the lag and issues, all we need to do is clear cache right here. Once we clear cache, mostly it does fix this sometimes, but if it doesn't, I suggest clear cache. First clear cache, then you may do the clear data if the lag still persists. If it doesn't work, uninstall and install the app right here. And if those doesn't work, the thing you can do is you need to go back to our Knowunity. Here at our Knowunity, all we need to do is press on a profile on the bottom right corner, then click on the settings tab right. And after doing that, go down till you see report a bug. And here explain what went wrong, what did I experience, steps and procedure optional, report name, and then contact email address right there. So you see right there. So yeah guys, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the section below and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you guys.